Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Dollar pairs gains in New York on sell-off in U.S. Treasury yields and stocks analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID E9F2C94 2022 10:28 a.m. Although the greenback extended its recent winning streak in Asia and European morning, dollar later pared its gains in New York due after release of weekly jobless data as well as sell-off in U.S. Treasury yields and equities ending Thursday higher against majority of its peers except for safe haven Japanese yen and Swiss franc. All three indices fell more than 2.78%. NBSP Reuters reported U.S. initial claims for state unemployment benefits totaled a seasonally adjusted 881,000 for the week ended August 29, compared to 1.011 million in the prior week, the Labor Department said on Thursday. Economists polled by Reuters had forecast 950,000 applications in the latest week. NBSP versus the Japanese yen, dollar found renewed buying at 106.13 in Australia and rose to 106.34 in Asia. Despite retreating to 106.18 in European morning, the pair later rallied to session highs at 106.55 at New York Open on USD's broad-based strength. However, price then erased intraday gain and tumbled to 106.01 due to sell-off in U.S. Treasury yields and stocks. NBSP The single currency remained under pressure in Asia and fell to session lows at 1.0790 at European Open on USD's strength before rebounding to 1.1836. The pair later ratcheted higher to 1.1864 in New York afternoon on cross-buying in euro before stabilizing. NBSP Reuters reported the Eurozone's rebound from its deepest downturn on record faltered in August as growth in the bloc's dominant service industry almost ground to a halt, a survey showed on Thursday, suggesting the long road to recovery will be bumpy. NBSP It sank to 51.9 last month from July's 54.9, close to the 50 mark, separating growth from contraction, albeit slightly better than an initial flash reading of 51.6. The services PMI fell to 50.5 from 54.7, better than its flash reading of 50.1. NBSP Although the British pound staged a strong rebound to 1.3360 Reuters in Australia after Wednesday's sell-off to 1.3284, cable met renewed selling there and dropped to 1.3277 at European Open on USD's strength before recovering to 1.3318 but only to fall again to session lows at 1.3243 due to cross-selling in sterling, especially versus euro. The pair then bounced to 1.3284 in New York afternoon before retreating again. NBSP In other news, Reuters reported European finance ministers will discuss at a meeting in Berlin next week the implementation of a €750 billion recovery package and how to give the EU its own fiscal resources to pay back joint debt, German Finance Minister Olaf Scholz said on Thursday. NBSP data to be released on Friday. NBSP Australia retail sales, Germany industrial orders, France budget balance, current account, UK market construction PMI, US non-farm payrolls, private payrolls, unemployment rate, average earnings, and Canada employment change, unemployment rate, IV PMI. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.